What's? Hey, shut the... Just shush. Shut up. Shut up. Pulani, shut up. What's up guys, Phil here and another warm welcome to Field Garage. On this episode right here, I'm going to be showing you something... No, I'm showing you... screw it, just watch this. This mad beautiful 1950 Chevrolet pickup truck came in for some tender loving care right here at Field Garage. She belongs to Teven Naidu and was built by my man, the myth, the legend himself, Mr. Mark Slooten from Slooten Race Cars. Whenever I get a car in from that guy, I'm always astounded by the level of detail and perfection in his builds, and it's something I have to match doing what I do best. But enough of me talking, let me show you what we did. At this point I was finished with what I needed to do, but I really wanted to have some mad epic footage, so I asked Mike from SXDRV to come and help me shoot this car with his fancy gear. I had mad fun on this build, and these rare unicorns are what keeps me driven. It was sad to see her leave, but I knew she was going to a good home. I'm so jealous. She still has a small journey left to completion, but once done, she'll be a force to reckon with. So before I leave you with the rest of the eye candy, don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button. Share this to everyone you know. Hey, don't be so selfish.
Hey man,
What's up, bro?
do you shop at the same place I do?
Where?
SXDRV.
I got mine at the flea market.
Flea market.
Yeah.
I got it for free. So cool like that. Catch you guys in the next one.
Cool. He helped me with this video. I'm not that good.
I wasn't prepared at all.